The Electrical Coder.
What's going on there, guys? This is me, teacher Joseph, here with you on another interesting AI project that is home door unlocking with face recognition and Raspberry Pi. And now I'm recording the working with the camera on my left hand. I'm running the code. Yes, when the program run, it captured my face, recognized my face. Now the door opens.
Access granted, door unlocked, welcome home.
The door is opening, and after 4 seconds the door closes and the LED will be off. Now another intruder comes in front of the door. I'm showing another face in the mobile in front of the camera. It recognizes it as an unknown person. Now the output will be given out to the speaker and LED will be blinking.
Access denied, door cannot be opened.
And I'm checking another person. My face won't be seeing. I will be hiding it with the camera. I am taking another person's face, and you can see on the left print screen it is sending email to my personal account. See on
Access denied, door cannot be opened.
Then I'm removing my mobile and again showing my face in front of the camera. Again it recognizes.
Access granted, door unlocked, welcome home.
So the LED light is a bit high, so you can't see much the door opening. It will open the door for 4 seconds and it will close after 4 seconds. Let's get a better view from the inside. So let me keep the camera inside and show you how it works internally. So this
Access granted, door unlocked, welcome home.
getting recognized. Yeah. Now it closes after 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Yeah, it is getting closed. Yeah, now let's check my personal Gmail account for the intruder email alert automatically came or not. So let's check it. It's loading here. Yeah, we can see from electrical coder email has played. Yeah, intruder tried to enter the house on time 2024 481738 that is at 5 p.m. 5:38 p.m. So you can see the image also have been sent, that is that two intruders came at the time, which is the mobile photos. You can see it was the intruder photo taken by itself. See, to Barack Obama's and Robert Downey Jr.'s photo. See the time and date also will be given. Let's see a brief description about the project. Here you can see a basic setup of a house with a door and a right side camera, and a speaker is in front outside the house. You can see Raspberry Pi is there, and it is connected to 2 servo motors, and indeed it is connected to a camera. The camera is used for video capturing, and the auxiliary cable is used for the output to the speakers, so that if it recognizes face, it will give the output to the speaker. So you can see the 2 servo motors. One is used for unlocking and the other is used for opening, and when it recognizes the face, the one unlocks the door and the other automatically opens the door, and vice versa while it closes. So this is all about it. Yeah guys, these are some of my upcoming projects. First one is chatbot using Raspberry Pi. It will talk to us like a human does, and it will give the information about anything. And next is an AI robotic arm. It will automatically pick up things. And object follower AI robot, whenever the object or human moves, means whichever way the human or object goes, it will follow the object or the human whichever way it goes. And next is AI personal assistant. It is a combination of chatbot and vision. Actually, we can talk to it, and it can do anything for us as our wish. And next is face recognition, fraud detection. Like in many of the places, face recognition is used for as an identity for their presence. Some are using mobile phone photos of them and doing fraud. So this model detects the guy is using mobile phones for. So that's all about my project. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, please press like button and subscribe to my channel. Next time I will be coming with a much more higher project. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.